money or beautiful facility or just good body, more friend. No. Of course, these are part of value, but not real value. Value means you must get some long-lasting benefit. That's real value. Fame may bring more worry, more anxiety, more stress, more suspicion. A friend also, just a mere friend, I think most cases friend of wealth, friend of power, you may get more suspicion from these kind of friend. Genuine human friend come only on the basis of warm-heartedness. Logically, we are social animals. So individuals' sort of happy life or successful life entirely depend on the rest of the community. So the rest of the community is source of our future, source of one individual's sort of, success or happiness. So it's taking care of them. It's a more natural sort of way. I think artificial sort of thinking, I'm independent. I never depend on them. Then exploit, cheating, lying, bully. In reality, long run, you are cutting or destroying basis of your own future. So humanism, basic human nature is more gentleness. Gentleness not come from dullness. But gentleness come from full alerted mind, sharp mind, but more balanced with warm-heartedness. Then real human gentleness comes.